come over to Google and search best business niche in any kind of big city. For example, best gyms in New York. You can use best restaurants in Las Vegas, or best dentists in Dubai, or best physiotherapists in South Africa. It can be anything as long as you've got best, your business niche, in any kind of big city. Then have a look on the #1 page of Google for any website that lists a top 10 or a top 5 list of these best gyms in New York. So for example, the 7 best gyms of New York, click on this website and you will find the best 7 gyms in a simple list in New York over here. Copy the link of this website, come over to invideo.io and click on text to video, click on wide 16:9, click on this template over here and click on use template. Paste your URL of that article and you will be able to generate done for you videos just like this, where I'm going to go and show you how all of these businesses over here, all of these gyms in New York, are going to be paying you to be promoting this video and posting it on YouTube to get them tons of exposure and to get them more clients through the door. And on top of this, you can also go and automate an entire YouTube channel and make hundreds of thousands of dollars through YouTube ad revenue and sponsorships through these gyms, for example. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I used to make money online. If you want to learn more strategies like this, I post every day on YouTube documenting my journey on how I make money online. If you want to follow that journey, make sure to go down below and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 2 business models, that being YouTube automation and getting tons of sponsorships from various businesses around the world by creating content for them. I'm also going to show you how you can reach out to these businesses and send them samples of your work to prove that your work is good quality so that they do indeed order from you and pay you for your service. In order to go and get started with this, you need to follow each and every step in this video that I'm going to show you, otherwise you might not succeed at this. But without further ado, without wasting any time, let's get straight into this. On top of everything that I've explained in the introduction of this video, I'm also going to show you this third tool that you can go and use called Video Marketing Blaster, which will only cost you 3 clicks and then you'll rank #1 on Google and YouTube. So you can go and use this tool to rank all of these businesses over here on the top page of Google and YouTube through your video that you're going to create for them. And remember, on top of that, you're going to be automating your own YouTube channel to get tons of traffic and more clients through the door of their business, because ultimately that's what they want, and in return they'll be paying you for that in ways of sponsorship. So the first thing I want you to go and do is I want you to go and search on Google best any business niche in any big city. You can go and search on Google top 100 biggest cities in the world, go and use any of those examples, and you can also just go and search best business niches, for example fitness, doctors, or whatever it may be. You can go and search up any list and literally just replace these 2 words over here. For the example of today's video, I'm going to go and use the best gyms in New York. And over here, you will see a whole bunch of different businesses on the top page of Google over here. Now, in order to go and get started in creating our piece of video for our YouTube automation channel and to go and get these guys to pay us for sponsorship, go and scroll down and go and look for any website. For example, the best 10 gyms in Manhattan, New York, or the top 10 best gyms in New York, 5 best gyms. You want to open up any website that has any kind of top 5 or top 6 or top 7, 10 or 20 list over here. So for example, this gives us an awesome top 10 list over here, which is Mercedes Club, Retro Fitness, Genesis Training, Fitting Room, Flatreon, Anytime Fitness, Powerhouse Gym. So there's a ton of them over here. We can also go and use this one, top 5 gyms in New York. So I'm going to go and open up this page over here, and I'm going to use this example for today's video. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to go and copy the link of this page over here, come over to a website called invideo.io. It will take you to a page like this. You can sign up for a completely free account. You don't need to pay for this tool. On the home screen, click on text to video over here. It will give you an option where you can go and post in wide format for YouTube, square format for Instagram and Facebook, and vertical format for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. In our case, we want to start a YouTube automation page doing this where we can earn YouTube ad revenue as well. So we want to go and use the wide video over here for longer YouTube videos. So go and click on this template over here. and it will give you tons of different themes that you can go and use for your video. For example, since our case is about fitness and gym, you can go and select something that is similar to that. If you don't really know what to choose, one of my favorites are these two blue themes over here. They pretty much suit any theme. So I'm going to go and click on this one over here, click on use this template. Under the section where it says add your URL over here, go and paste your URL and click on fetch, and it will automatically load up the title of your video and all of the text from this page where we imported all of the text and pasted our link. The only thing you want to do is filter out some of the text that we don't need. You'll see over here it's imported all of the top 5 gyms, remove a couple of the reviews such as this text over here. We can also go and delete all of these reviews over here. We don't need to have reviews. All we want is a list of that specific gym and the address where people can go and sign up to that gym. Over here you'll see is another review. We can delete that. Over here we can also go and delete this review. We don't need to have all of this text. This review over here can also be deleted, just like that. And now our video is complete. So click on next over here, click on rearrange text, click on next again, and it will automatically turn all of this text into a done for you YouTube video for our YouTube automation channel. If you click on preview all over here, you'll be able to view your entire video, which will pretty much list the top 5 best gyms in New York, a short little description, and their contact information. The next thing you want to do is go and click on download on the top right over here so we can go and download this to our PC. Click on export in 720p or 1080p, and in a couple of minutes your video will be complete like this. Go and click on download over here and this will download to your PC. Now that's going to lead us to step number 2, is to go and get this video sponsored and uploaded on YouTube and ranking on the top pages of Google and YouTube for our specific keyword, in our case, top 5 or the best gyms in New York. The second part of this video is to come back to this page where you found the top 5 gyms in New York. Go and click on their website over here, for example, equinox.com, and it will open up their direct website where we want to go and find their email address. Scroll down to the bottom of their page and go and click on contact us over here to go and find their email. You will see over here they've got the email address here, which then you want to go and reach out to them and just mention simply, hey guys, I'm a professional in New York who ranks YouTube videos on the top pages of Google and YouTube. I've currently just created the sample project of the top 5 gyms in New York, which is a highly searched term that is regularly searched in New York, which could potentially generate a lot of traffic to your website and a lot of customers through the door of your business. What do you think of this work, and would you like to arrange some kind of sponsorship deal? If and when they say yes, you head over to YouTube, you go and create your YouTube channel with anything that's got to do with top 5s or best top 5s or any kind of general informational YouTube channel name. You can go and use any business name generator on Google to find a name for your channel. And once you've done that, when you upload this video to YouTube, you can come over to Video Marketing Blaster over here. I'm going to log into this tool over here and show you how to use it to rank this video on the top page for your specific keyword, best gyms in New York. Video Marketing Blaster will then send you a login email to your dashboard that looks like this, and this is exactly what the tool looks like. We need to follow this 2-step process to go and rank our video on the top page of Google and YouTube. Go and click on keywords over here, and we want to go and do a little bit of keyword research. On the left hand side over here, go and enter your main keyword, best gyms in New York. Go and click on research over here, and it will list some popular keywords related to your search term that are getting a lot of traffic and searches at the moment. For example, best gyms in New York is at number 4, best Muay Thai gyms in New York, best boxing gyms, best MMA gyms, best MMA gyms in New York City. So I'm just going to go and use the overall keyword best gyms in New York. I'm going to go and copy this keyword, go and click on video details on the right hand side over here, click on generate details, paste your main keyword, click on next step, go and choose any other secondary keyword, for example, Best Gym NYC, Best Gym NYC 2022, and just New York City. Click on next step over here, click on generate, and click on generate details, and in a couple of seconds, this tool will automatically generate a done for you title, descriptions, and tags that you need to copy and paste onto your video when uploading to YouTube to rank on the top page for the specific keyword, best gyms in New York. If you want to, you can go and tidy up your titles and keywords a little bit. For example, where it says honest video over here, you can go and delete that and we can go and type here best gyms in New York, best gym NYC 2022, and you can leave the rest as is over here. And for your keywords, we can then now go and save this. And all you want to do is go and copy and paste this onto your YouTube video when you go and post this exact video that InVideo has created for you. And if you think about this, there are millions of different businesses and hundreds of different cities that you can go and use this niche in, and it opens up tons of doors to various different sponsorship deals where all of these businesses over here on Google can also pay you for this video for literally getting them free traffic and more clients through the door of their business. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with growing a YouTube channel and YouTube automation and sponsorships as well. I'm going to leave my entire playlist on the screen over here, which consists of my best YouTube growth videos of 2020, 2021, and 2022. I've taken all my best videos that I've uploaded on YouTube and compiled it into one easy playlist for you guys to go and watch. A lot of this information I've learned from hundreds of dollars of courses, which I've now posted on YouTube for free in my own way. So what I recommend is, if you want to learn more about this, go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.